The Arizona Diamondbacks are upping the ante on ballgame snacks and moving peanuts and Cracker Jacks down to the bottom of the list. Last year, the team served up an 18-inch bacon and cheese stuffed corn dog to their fans, and this year they're adding dessert. The newest addition to the Diamondback concessions is, get this, a Churro Dog. It's composed of a warm cinnamon churro inside a Long John chocolate glazed donut, topped with frozen yogurt, caramel, and chocolate sauce. Well, I don't know about you, but I might be tempted to take that over a Fenway Frank. I'm Ashley Allen, and for all your sports news, keep it at NESN.com.